Architecture is a field that relies heavily on the future simple tense to plan, design, and construct buildings and structures. The future simple tense is used to make predictions, set goals, and make plans for future projects. In architecture, the future simple tense is essential for mapping out timelines, budgets, and designs, and LT, BR, and GT, and LT, BR, and GT. One of the most common uses of the future simple tense in architecture is to describe upcoming construction projects. For example, a city planner might say, "In 5 years, we will construct a new transportation hub in the downtown area." This statement is using the future simple tense to indicate a specific time frame for the project and to convey a sense of certainty about its completion, and LT, BR, and GT, and LT, BR, and GT similarly. Architects often use the future simple tense to discuss the features and design elements of a building that is still in the planning phase. For instance, an architect might say, "The new office building will have a sleek, modern facade and energy-efficient windows." This statement is using the future simple tense to describe the intended characteristics of the building and to give a sense of what it will look like once it is built, and LT, BR, and GT, and LT, BR, and GT. In addition to specific projects and design elements, the future simple tense is also used in architecture to set goals and objectives for the future. For example, a developer might say, "Our goal is to build sustainable, green buildings in the next decade." This statement is using the future simple tense to express a long-term objective for the company and to outline a vision for the future of their projects, and LT, BR, and GT, and LT, BR, and GT overall. The future simple tense plays a crucial role in architecture by allowing professionals to plan, design, and construct buildings and structures with precision and clarity. By using the future simple tense, architects and planners can articulate their visions, set goals, and make predictions about future projects, ultimately shaping the built environment in meaningful and innovative ways.